good evening, and welcome to the first episode of Cooking with Ruf Unedited on the Cooking with Ruf YouTube channel. I wanted to bring you all along this evening as I construct a nacho bowl from ingredients that I made here in the Cooking with Ruf home kitchen studio. So without any further ado, you won't be able to see me the whole time, but the goal of this is to kind of be more real life. You see what I'm doing, and then we'll bring it to a close here as we get ready to dig into this bad boy here shortly. So thank you all for being here with me. I'm going to walk you through how I made the Cooking with Ruf nacho bowl. I will say that there is one ingredient that's missing from this, and I usually like to, when corn is in season, I like to prepare corn. I like it off the cob, so I'll shuck it and cut it off the cob and prepare it, but I'll have to show you all that at a different time. And by the way, I will go through a separate Cooking with Ruf episode where I show you how I make my carne asada, for example, how I make my guacamole, etc., etc. So let's start with the base. The base of this is carne asada steak. I use sirloin steak. I know that traditional carne asada is made from skirt steak or even flank steak. So this is the Cooking with Ruf version. Then I come in and I add a layer of onions and cilantro mixed. I like onions. I like the pungency of it, the power of the taste of an onion. I'll come in and I will hit it with my lime juice. So we're going to hit it with that. So far we got the carne asada sirloin steak. We've got Mexicano queso or cheese. We've got cilantro and onions, and we've got lime juice. And then to the lime juice, I like to come on top and add the lettuce. So I chopped up some lettuce earlier, or sliced some lettuce, and we're gonna hit, this is romaine, although it looks kind of icebergical, if you will. And then I come on top of that with a healthy dose of tomates or tomatoes for what would probably be the traditional Cooking with Ruf viewer. So then we hit it with a nice layer of tomates or tomatoes. And then I come in and I give this thing a heaping helping of this homemade Cooking with Ruf. I'm gonna have to sit that down because this guacamole is thick. It's thick. So anyway, I'm gonna give myself a heaping helping of this guacamole in the center there. And then I'll come back and I will drizzle over. There's two hot sauces that you'll typically get at a traditional Mexican groceria or grocery store. And one of them has a yellow label, the other has a black label. This is the black label one, meaning that it is the most picante or hot. We're going to do Cooking with Ruf bilingual. Then I hit it with a dollop of sour cream. And then you can come back and you can add whatever your favorite tortilla chip is around the outside. That's how I do it. I kind of break them up a little bit so that they become more fork or spoon manageable. And that, my friends, is the start of the Cooking with Ruf nacho bowl. So let's give you a look in here. Man, I'm sweating. I went for a run today, y'all. I'm getting ready for a 5K, trying to get this old body back in shape. And so I've been starting to train more for it, man. And I'm still sweating from running earlier. So I think I did a decent job in my workout today. But that's the Cooking with Ruf nacho bowl. Man, take a look at that thing, man. Man, look at that, man. And we are going to, I'm going to just grab one of these spoons I can eat with it. Let's move this stuff out of the way so that I don't get anything dropped in here. But man, you come in here with this spoon like it's a daggum excavator, and you just start in that corner and you want to try to get through all those layers, get some of that meat, get some of those onions, get some of that lettuce, get some of that cheese. I didn't get any guacamole. Let me get a little bit of guacamole in there. Man, and then we going in for a bite. That's a big bite. Here on the Cooking with Ruf, YouTube channel. I mean, all I can say is that is just, let me get a paper towel and wipe my forehead off. Y'all, that is a flavor sensation. If I ever had one, that is a flavor sensation. So we're gonna go ahead and excavate the rest of this nacho bowl in here. Again, I will have a separate, bigger Cooking with Ruf show where I'll show you how I make my guacamole. And by the way, y'all, it's top notch. How I make my carne asada and how we put all this stuff together. But thank you all for joining me this evening for the first episode of Cooking with Ruf Unedited. Hopefully it wasn't too painful for you to watch. We about to get into these nachos in here. So enjoy your basketball. It's Saturday night here in the Cooking with Ruf home kitchen studio. I'm getting ready to turn on the TV, maybe watch a little basketball myself. Again, thank you for joining me. If you have not, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, because when you do, you'll be first to know when Cooking with Ruf, that's moi, uploads new content on YouTube. And please, by all means, if you're getting anything out of the video and you feel so inclined, please share it to your circles, share it to your friends. We are now over 300 subscribers, so we are starting to make our mark, and I appreciate every one of you being a part of the journey. Thank you. We'll catch you next time on Cooking with Ruf Unedited. Bye.